Rock Guitar Mastery has given me the ability to pick up a guitar and play better than I've ever dreamed of. Within like just a few hours, I was playing like a professional. That's crazy fast.
I can't believe how much I've learned in the first few weeks alone. Much more than a full year I spent taking private lessons. Now, I feel that every time I pick up my guitar to practice, I sound better than the day before. It's such a cool feeling that you need to experience it yourself.
To me, Rock Guitar Mastery really is the easiest way to learn guitar, period.
So what exactly is Rock Guitar Mastery? Rock Guitar Mastery is a complete and comprehensive system for learning real rock guitar in the fastest and easiest way I've ever seen. Whether you want to learn how to play like some of your favorite artists, jam with friends, get ready to perform live on stage, play privately, or just have the confidence to know that whenever you pick up the guitar, you're going to love the sounds that come out of it.
I tried classes at a music school, private instructors, books, DVDs, you name it. I was beginning to think there was something wrong with me, like I just wasn't born with the ability to learn how to play a musical instrument. Then I discovered Rock Guitar Mastery, and it was really the one thing that made me able to play like I wanted to play. Rock Guitar Mastery really is the best way to learn and get really good at the guitar. Honestly, without a doubt, it really is.
I'm Paulie Z, founder of Rock Guitar Mastery and your head instructor. As a guitarist and singer, I've gotten to travel all over the world performing on stage alongside incredible artists such as Kiss, Twisted Sister, Poison, AC/DC, Dave Navaro, and so many more, I've stopped counting. And while that's been an amazing experience, the thing that should matter to you is the fact that I've been a guitar teacher for nearly 20 years. In that time, I've taught thousands of students of all ages, ranging from 5 to 75 years old. I've spent years of my life completely reverse engineering the traditional learning methods to make sure you get the absolute best results in the fastest ways possible, without any of the headaches, frustration, feelings of being overwhelmed, and especially without ever feeling like you don't have the ability to play awesome music.
This was my first time trying to learn to play guitar, but I was a little bit nervous that this would be too difficult and would take me forever to get anywhere. But as I was looking at the intro video, everything seemed to make sense. It was logical and easy to understand. Then I played my first song and I was hooked.
I've picked up and put down the guitar more times than I can count over the years because I'd always struggled trying to get better. For the past few years, my guitar's been sitting in the corner of the room looking cool, but mainly collecting dust. Let me tell you how nervous I was every time I'd have people over. I was absolutely terrified they'd ask me to play for them and I'd end up just embarrassing myself. Then one night I came across this ad for Rock Guitar Mastery and figured I'd give it a shot. I can't begin to tell you how easily everything just came together, like that. To me, Rock Guitar Mastery really is the easiest way to learn guitar, period.
Let's take a look at everything you're going to get when you sign up right now. Over 130 high-quality instructional videos containing more than 20 hours of full step-by-step world-class training, including our exclusive Foundations course and everything to help get you from absolute beginner to real rock guitarist in the fastest way ever created. Over a dozen original rock songs written in the style of artists like AC/DC, Black Sabbath, Aerosmith, Led Zeppelin, and even Jimi Hendrix. Live band rehearsal videos where you get to come into the recording studio with us and rehearse as if you were getting ready to perform live on stage. Your printable PDF ebook of all of the tablature for absolutely everything so you can follow along and never feel lost or confused. A ton of live MP3 jam tracks so you can play along with a real band no matter what level you're at. This means that you'll be sounding like a real rock star right from day one. The Rock Guitar Mastery system was designed from the ground up to hold your hand and carefully guide you every step of the way down your path to becoming a real rock guitar master. But if for any reason at all you have any questions or concerns, don't worry. You're going to have 24/7 access to our friendly support staff. If you were going to hire a private instructor, they would run you about $75 an hour on average. That means if you were to price out the sheer amount of training we provide, it would be over $1,500. And that's $1,500 to learn the old-fashioned, slow, and difficult way, and still not get anywhere near the results that you can only get with the Rock Guitar Mastery system. But you're not going to pay $1,500 or anywhere close to it. Because when you click on the Add to Cart button below this video right now, you're going to receive the complete Rock Guitar Mastery system for the lowest price we've ever offered. I wanted to make sure you didn't have to worry about shipping or wait for anything to arrive in the mail, which is exactly why Rock Guitar Mastery is 100% digital, and everything is hosted inside of our members-only website. And it's compatible with any PC, Mac, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. All you need is an internet connection and a guitar, and you'll be ready to rock.
The thing that's really helped me the most when sitting down to play a song is that right underneath the video, it shows you all the techniques you're gonna need to know. So if there's anything you don't know yet or you need help playing, just click on the technique and a brand new video will pop up and show you how to perform it. Then you just practice it a few times until you've got it, and boom, you can go right back to learning your song with no problem. And then before you know it, you're on to the next one.
When I'm standing there playing along with all these other musicians, not only does it sound really awesome, but I feel like a real rock star.
I tried to learn guitar in the past using a ton of different methods, and I was never happy with the results. So when I saw Rock Guitar Mastery, I figured I'd give it a shot. I thought, it's just 60 days, and if I'm not playing the way I want, I can always get my money back. Now, take it from me, if you put in the time, you're gonna be blown away with the results, I promise.
Look, learning to play guitar should be fun, and I don't want you to have to worry about anything. So, here's what I'm gonna do. Sign up for Rock Guitar Mastery right now, go through the course, use it, and really put it to the test for 2 full months. If you don't agree that this is the fastest, easiest, and most enjoyable way to learn rock guitar, if you don't think you can play alongside some of the greats like AC/DC and Jimi Hendrix, or if you just don't like my corny jokes and goofy smile, simply email my friendly customer support team at any point in the first 60 days, and we will gladly refund every penny of your purchase, no questions asked. You have 2 full months to see just how good you can get with absolutely no risk. You've got nothing to lose and an awesome new skill to learn. Listen, if you're serious about wanting the skills to master thousands of your favorite songs in as little as 60 days, then you'll have to agree that Rock Guitar Mastery is not only an option for you, it's the only option for you. So don't wait another minute. Click on the Add to Cart button below, complete the simple checkout process, and I'll see you inside the members area in about 2 minutes from right now.
With Rock Guitar Mastery, it's as if there's no learning curve. From the first time you pick up the guitar and turn on the program, you're gonna feel like you're on your way to becoming a real rock star. It's really fast, easy, and fun. What more could you ask for?
I'm able to play all kinds of songs that I love, and I gotta tell you, after years of putting down the guitar more times than I can count, that's something I never thought I'd be able to say. It's true. Rock Guitar Mastery works, plain and simple.
I've got a box sitting in the corner of my living room with all the books, DVDs, and everything else I bought promising to teach me how to play guitar. You know what? I don't need them anymore. Rock Guitar Mastery is the one system that taught me how to play real rock guitar.
I was upset I never tried to play an instrument when I was young. And part of that was because I was intimidated with how long it would take most people to get good. But with Rock Guitar Mastery, I see improvement every time I sit down and practice. Not only am I having a lot of fun, my wife loves telling all her friends that she's married to a rock star. I feel like I have my very own groupie waiting for me when I get home. What could be better than that?
Setting aside time during the week to jam it with my buddies really is a whole lot of fun. It may sound silly, but it's helped me feel like I'm 25 years younger and I'm still in my heyday. Rock Guitar Mastery has helped me feel like me again. And honestly, that means more than anything else.